I have a piece of audio here from which I want to remove the background noise. Let's listen to it a bit. This is a test recording to see how to remove noise from any recording or how to remove any kind of noise from a recording using this software. Okay, it is not very louder. So I will normalize it and make it louder. But before that, I would make a duplicate of this track by Command D. The reason I am duplicating this track is that I will need the original track for noise reduction. Let's listen to the normalized track which has a higher volume now. This is a test recording to see how to remove noise from any recording or how to remove any kind of noise from a recording using this software. Okay, we can now hear different kinds of background noise, white background noise, traffic noise, and some people's chatter behind it. This part contains both white noise and traffic noise. As I said earlier that I would need the original track for noise reduction, so I will only activate the original track. I will export it as a WAV file and give it a name, clip with noise. Export is done and now I will open the software from which I will reduce the noise. The software name is Descript and we will see how much noise it can actually reduce. I will create a new project in Descript and upload the file. Descript projects are synced with the cloud, so you need to be actively connected to the internet to use Descript. I will go to the location of the file and open it. Descript automatically transcribes a file. It is a multi-purpose software, but I am using it mainly for audio editing. While the transcribe is processing, I will add an audio effect, Studio Sound. Studio Sound can be found under Audio Repair. You can see here both the transcribing and enhancing processes are running, and it would take some time depending on the size of the file. The enhancing process has ended and now I am waiting for the transcribing process to be complete. Both the processes are complete and now I will export the file. I could have listened to the audio file here in Descript, but I would prefer to listen in Audacity and compare. From Publish, I will select Export and give the file a name. Let's get back to Audacity and open the improved file which I exported from Descript. I will drag it and it will be in a new track. The noises are already looking flat, but before listening to it, I will normalize and make it to the same level as the other track. I will normalize it to -3 as before. Let's listen. This is a test recording to see how to remove noise from any recording or how to remove any kind of noise from a recording using this software. All the noises are gone, and if I listen to the noisy track, we would understand how good it has done its job. This is a test recording to see how to remove noise from any recording or how to remove any kind of noise from a recording using this software. In this part, I had some traffic noise and it seems it has gone completely. The same thing is also here. We must admit that it has done a fantastic job removing both white noise and this irregular traffic noise. Now let's check how much it would cost for us to use this software. The good thing is it is free and we are getting 1 hour per month free for transcription. The studio sound can be up to 10 minutes per file. I suggest you try this free option first and check if it is doing the job perfectly for you. Also, if you want to check how much noise Audacity can reduce compared to Descript, I have some videos on noise reduction in Audacity. Please check the links in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next.